जेंटलमैन, हमें इससे ज्यादा खुशी कभी नहीं महसूस होगी। ये जो पल है ये बहुत खास है because we see who's he? Who's the one who's going to recognize him? Who's this young, handsome, dapper man? Well, Ankur ke fans. Well, friends or fans, there are a whole lot of them here. Okay, let's see who's this beautiful girl. Can we hear? Who's this beautiful girl? Well, Mehak, you are surely leading tonight, and we know the woman has to gain all the votes. But I want to see Shubham and Dhruv here with me. कहाँ है Shubham और Dhruv? अच्छा, अपनी अपनी sides ले लीजिए आप. किस अपनी अपनी sides ले लीजिए. All right, exchange होगी because ये मिलन का moment है, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to tell you this moment is when they both unite. They unite forever and unite in ways more than one. All right. Can we hear it from all of you because we've not heard from all of you? Can we hear it from these beautiful people standing on the floor with me here? All right, अब शुरुआत करते हैं. This evening has to set going, but before that, I'd like to know something about their love affair. Would you want to know something about their love affair? Well, that's my response. You were energetic before, but क्या हुआ? लगता है आपने खाना खाया नहीं है. Have you all had your drinks? You all have your drinks. Your glasses are full, and I want to hear a loud applause from all of you. Can we hear it from once and all for all of you? एक बार और से. All right, it's wrapped up with a lot of entertainment. Don't go away. Stay with us, but you can also meanwhile enjoy your food. जी हाँ, मैं आप सभी को बताना चाहूँगी कि खाना laid out है. Anyone who's feeling hungry, needs some energy for the night, can go ahead, eat their fill because we're going to have a lot of fun, a lot of masti and a lot of josh from all of you. Thank you. कुछ कहना चाहूँगी आप सभी के लिए और खासकर महक और अंकुर के लिए. किसी ने एक बार फूल से कहा, तूने तू दी खुशबू, तुझे क्या मिला? जी हाँ, किसी ने एक बार फूल से कहा, तूने तू दी खुशबू, तुझे क्या मिला? फूल ने जवाब दिया, देने के बदले लेना तो व्यापार है. देने के बदले लेना तो व्यापार है, जो देकर भी कुछ न मांगे. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वही तो प्यार है, वही इश्क, वही मोहब्बत और वही एतबार के साथ हमने ये खूबसूरत सी शाम है सजाई है आप सभी के लिए और खास करके हमारे दो खास लोगों के लिए. And I'm talking about none other than Ankur and Mehak, who are here with us together. In their grand celebration, we're going to rejoice every moment of this evening with a lot of music and of course with someone who's performed everywhere in the world. She's a renowned DJ and she's gotten the Best Female DJ Award. And by the God's grace, she's here with us to entertain you through this fine evening. In a few moments from now, you will be jiggling to her beats. And for that, I'd like to invite all of you to come close to the stage because the stage is all yours and you're going to occupy it. And that's only going to happen in a few moments.